The Astro AI 100 PSI glow-in-the-dark tire inflator gauge is the perfect accessory for your vehicle. It easily stows in your toolbox for quick access when you need it. Whether you're measuring tire pressure for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, or bicycles, nighttime pressure checks are no sweat. The large 2.5-inch dial takes the guesswork out of tire inflation. Just hook up the inflator to your air compressor and start filling tires right away. The integrated bleed button gives you the option to adjust tire pressure on the fly. This gauge holds results for easier reading, and resetting is a breeze. Worry-free construction means our products handle drops, and the battery-free design keeps working when others run out of charge. The tire inflator gauge keeps your vehicles operating smoothly and safely for all of life's adventures. The Astro AI 250 PSI digital tire inflator gauge
combines the functions of both a tire pressure gauge and an air chuck to quickly inflate and adjust tire pressure. High-quality components make this inflator gauge safe and easy to use for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. This tool is highly compatible with two included quick connect fittings, while the integrated bleed button efficiently releases excess air from tires. Precise results are displayed on a large, backlit LCD screen that always returns a reading within 1% of the exact pressure of your tire. For added convenience, you can even check a tire's pressure without connecting to an air compressor. You can even select between 4 different units of pressure. An assortment of convenient accessories and features are included for a better tire maintenance experience. This digital tire inflator keeps your vehicles operating smoothly and safely for all of life's adventures.